Good morning, children. Are you all ready for today's EVS class? Yes. Today in our EVS class, we are going to do the book back exercise. In last class, we already did, right? Again, we are going to do. Okay? Yes. So you all wrote the answer for these? Yes. Can we do it once again? Will you all check it? Yes. We live on the earth. Where do we live? We live on earth. Next one. There are mountains and hills on land. So you wrote mountains here. Yes. Dash is found in oceans, seas, and rivers. What is found? Water. Yes. So, water is found in oceans, seas, and rivers. Next one. The sun gives us heat and light. Very good. Yes, we can see the moon and the dash at night. What can we see? We can see moon and the stars. So you all love to put star in your hand, right? When you do something good, we will put stars for you, right? Yes. Are you all doing good now? Yes, you should be good. So with whom you should be good? You should be good to your parents. You should be good to your grandparents, brothers, sisters, everyone. You should be good, right? Then only you are going to be a good boy and a good girl, right? Yes. I will ask your mommy and daddy. Yes. Okay. So next one. Mark the sentence as true or not true. Okay. We did this. Okay. We are going to just check whether the answers are right. Okay. We live on the moon. We live on the moon. No, we live on the earth. So this is wrong. The earth is made up of land and water. Yes. So tick. Water is found in oceans but not in seas. No, it is found in both oceans and seas. So it is wrong. Okay. We cannot see air. Yes, we cannot see. We can see sun and the moon at the night. No, we can see moon and stars only at the night. So this is wrong. Yes. Did you all do it? Okay. Did you all check it? Very good. Next, match the columns. Okay? Yes. Stars, sky. Water, sea. Very good. Mountains, highland. Very good. Dark clouds, rain. Sun, light. Okay, you have to draw a straight line for that. Okay? Yes. So while doing match the following, how will you do? You will just like that draw a line like this? No. You should take a scale and you should take a pencil. Okay? And then you have to keep it properly. Okay? Will look, sorry, your book, your classwork, whatever it is, it will look good and neat. Okay, and while writing answers also, what you have to do, you should not scribble, you should write the correct spelling. If you are making a mistake, rub it off and write it neatly. Okay, children, and don't give so much of pressure while writing. Okay, you should not give so much pressure. If you pressure up and write, what will happen? You cannot erase it neatly if you make any mistake. Okay, so write it very light. Oh, not very light, in a medium pace. Okay, I know you all have written, I have seen you in your last class. Okay, so you have to improvise. Okay, now we are in first standard, so you should know to write, you should know to write neatly, you should know how to write a fill in the blanks, you should know how to write match the following and all. Okay, in for this lesson we are going to write everything in our classwork. Okay, so I'm going to give you the homework today. So you are going to write it today, everything in your classwork. Okay? Yes. Next page. Take out your next page. Tick the correct word. Okay? Tick the correct word. The earth is round or square in shape. Which shape is the earth is? The earth is round in shape. Yes. We can see or feel air. We cannot see, but we can feel air. Okay, so write feel. Deserts are dry. Covered in sand. So they are dry areas. Okay. Yes. Next one. Plains are high or flat areas of a land. Plains are high areas. Yes. Plains are high areas or flat areas. Which area? Plains are high areas. No, flat areas. Okay? Yes. Last one. White or dark clouds bring rain. White or dark clouds bring rain. Which will bring rain? White clouds. Correct? No. dark clouds. Okay, so today what you are going to do at home is you are going to write this lesson, fill in the blanks and match the following in your classwork. How we are going to write? Okay, you know. So you are going to take out your EVS classwork. Okay, children? Yes. Just a second. So children, this is going to be a classwork for example. Okay. So what are you going to do is you are going to write the lesson name here. Okay. What is the lesson number? Lesson 30 EVS. Okay. Write the full lesson name. The earth and the sky. Okay. So you will write it on the top of your page. Okay. Before getting into that, you will write the date, everything you will write. Okay. So you will write this in the first 3 lines, or before the red line you will write lesson number 13 EVS, and on the first line you will write the earth and the sky. Okay. After writing that, what you will do is you will write, fill in the blanks. Okay. You are going to take out your book like this. Okay. You have your book, right? Take out your book. Okay. And take page number 70. Okay. 70. Page number 70. And this one you are going to write in your classwork. What is the heading is fill in the blanks. Write the heading. Fill in the blanks. So this is the heading. Write it neatly. Okay. I will write it once again. Fill in the blanks. Yes. So you will write the heading. Okay. And then before the red line, you will have a red line here, right? Before that, you will put 1 and write the first question. What is the first question in your book? Read that. The earth is round or square in shape. It is given, right? So what are you going to do is you are going to write the earth is, what is the correct answer? Round, right? R-O-U-N-D, round in shape. Okay. You write with the correct answer, full stop, and you are going to underline the word round. Okay. Yes. So what is a blank is, in this place we will not have anything. Okay. So when there is nothing, we will call it as blank. Okay. So the earth is round in, the earth is dash in shape. What is the answer? Round in shape. Like this, you are going to write all the 5 questions. Okay, children? Yes. Write all the 5 questions in your class work. First thing that you are going to do. Okay. After writing this, take the next page. If you are in middle of the page, leave the rest of the page and take the next page. Okay. And write Roman letter 2. Match the following. Match the following. Write the heading in the same line and take page number 69 and copy this and write it in your classwork. Okay, so copy this with the correct answer and write it in your classwork. You are going to write like this and then you will mark. Okay, you will use a scale and mark the correct answers. Okay, children. So what you are going to do is, you are going to write, fill in the blanks and match the following in your classwork. Okay. And then I will give you the hard words and answer the following for this lesson in the next class. Okay. I will give you some time. Take your own time and write it neatly. Yes, so when you are having exams, it will be easy for us to read. So next year you are going to go to second standard, right? Now you have to write everything in your class book and practice it. So start writing each and everything in your class work. Okay? Yes. Will you all do it? Very good. In the next class, we will write the notes for this lesson. That is the hard words and the answer the following for this lesson. Okay, children? Till then, be safe at home and enjoy. Thank you, Sairam.